How to use Asana for task management. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to asana.com and create your free account. Now after you do that, you're gonna have to create your workspace. So as you can see, I have here my workspace, and you can go and create different projects. So simply click on create new project, and as you can see here, you can use a template, or you can import a spreadsheet, or if you want, you can create a blank project. Then you're gonna have to name it and then change the privacy. As you can see, you have my workspace, so everyone in your workspace, because you can invite people, can see this project, or if you want, you can make this private. Then here you can have default view, so you have list, board, timeline, and calendar. So simply choose any of these and then click on create project. Then you can start adding different tasks. So as you can see, I can add a task, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.